I got so many nice comments on the lighting shading on this piece, so let's do a quick process walkthrough, tutorial, something. So all of these pieces started out as fevered ballpoint sketches in my sketchbook, which I then take into Photoshop, start cleaning up, looking at reference for posing, actor likeness, costuming, etc., just tightening everything up. After that, I mask out the silhouette of the piece just to make sure that the posing and storytelling reads from a distance, that there's good negative space, that sort of thing. Then, counterintuitively, I go in with my flats first before line work. So it's just figuring out how the color blocking works against each other, making sure there aren't any weird tangents. Next, I do my line work over the flats. It's a pretty simple setup. I'm using the default hard round brush in Photoshop, pressure set to opacity, and then I just bump the size up and down to roughly clean up the sketch. Then probably my favorite step in the process, which is putting in all of the details over the flats, things like flyaway hairs, scars, tattoos, flush in the cheeks, the rope burn around Steed's neck. Just breaking up the flats. This next layer is doing a lot of heavy lifting. It's a solid multiply layer that I'm painting in the bounce light, which is this upward facing light from the lower right. Really helps to add a lot of dimensionality to the piece. Then a super simple but effective layer, single color, sort of a warm mid-gray that goes over the entire piece and helps tone down the ambiance, make it seem like a darker scene. And then the rim light, super fun to paint, super simple, light blue set to screen, I think. And then I duplicate the layer underneath, add a Gaussian blur, make it sort of mid-level orange, and that mimics the subsurface scattering of the skin and hair. Super simple, but super effective. So that's it. You have the bounce light, the solid multiply layer, the rim light, and the subsurface scattering. Deceptively simple.